What's going on, guys? It's Destin the RV Guide here, and we got quite a treat for us today. Salem is making camping affordable again and actually giving us a decent appointed camper without breaking the bank. This is the Salem FSX 266BHLE. They're calling it a limited edition line, but I think they're going to get some good feedback from this. So at the front, you got a single 20-pound tank. You got your battery space right behind there. Pretty standard solar plug on the side here. Look at the size of that pass-through. Full-size pass-through. Spare tire. Comes with the power cord, of course. Standard hot water heater. You got a 6-gallon hot water heater. And look at the size of this awning here for a budget rig. It's actually a decent size, good size window right next to the kitchen side we'll get to in a second. Bunk bed setup, so you got a couple bunks in the back here, Lippert ladder prep. You got your backup camera prep, all pretty standard nowadays, but it's for a limited edition kind of budget run. They're full feature in it, and I can't wait to get inside. So all your hookups are going to be on the off-door side here, all your sewer poles, your city and your freshwater connection, and your black tank flush is going to be right there. And then that is a full pass-through too. One of the big things with the old line of Coleman's was you couldn't get through the pass-through. Now let's head on inside this thing and check it out here. So this is where I get excited. New floor plan from them, and I think we're going to see a lot copying this. This is awesome. So you get an extended kitchen area here, tons of counter space, extended giant L couch with storage right underneath there. But you get the storage, you get a giant L couch. We have storage up overhead over the L couch here. You have a Coleman Mach air conditioner that's ducted through the camper. Look at the size of the windows in this thing. It feels open in here. Kitchen-wise, we're going to have all of our control switches right by the door. So our light controls, water heater. You got a spot to mount a TV right by the window there with USB power right behind that. And then an outlet for the kitchen too. Tons of storage built in. So I have 6 full extension drawers here. Under the sink, you're going to have some storage opened up. And then that brings us over to the 3-burner cooktop. Convection oven right underneath there. And then just a little bit of pantry space here. Double over double bunk setup. Both get a window. This bottom bunk you can actually flip up and latch from the back there, so you get all this opened up as storage space, and underneath there as well. So for deep storage, it's got plenty, that's for sure. You got a 12-volt Furion fridge here. I don't know the cubic footage, but it's what they're all getting nowadays. Pretty well standard. It works. You do have a vent fan up on the roof here while you're cooking. And that gets us into the bathroom. So pretty standard bathroom setup, but I mean, it works. So you have adjustable shelving right here in the corner. You got your commode actually set up properly so you're not going to bump your knees. Corner sink area with a little bit of storage under there and a full medicine cabinet too. Actually get a window in the bathroom. You guys know how much I like that. Another vent fan, and then our shower stall here. And let's get into the master because they did pretty good on this too. So king size bed in a budget option is unheard of. We got opposing windows here that open up. You can get a cross breeze. Storage up above wraps around to both sides. Both sides get USB power. Both sides get an outlet. And there is a little TV mounting spot here too. I can't believe they put a king-size bed in this thing. I'm still blown away. This is an awesome new layout, you guys. I think we're going to see a lot of manufacturers kind of copying this sort of setup and bringing it into their lineup too. But you saw it here first, so thanks for watching. Appreciate you checking the video out, and make sure to follow along for more.